How to add Facebook pixel to Shopify and track conversions. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your Facebook pixel to your store on Shopify with a simple method. Then you can track the conversions or what's going on your shop step by step tutorial. Today I'm going to make a method which is easy to follow. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end and you will get the full tutorial, and it will be easy to remake for your store and your Facebook manager or your Facebook business suite. All you have to do is to go to your Shopify, then the Facebook pixel installer is considered a sales channel, which is like this sales channel. You will see the Facebook and Instagram. For my case, I have installed it already, but for your case, all you have to do is to click on the search bar right here. Then you click or you type Facebook and you will be guided to this. If you don't find the Facebook and Instagram, you can go to the App Store of the Shopify. Then you will see the marketplace or the App Store. It will make something like this, a research like this. This is the app that we will integrate to our store. It is called Facebook and Instagram by Meta. This is it. I will click on it, then I will click on install. For my case, I have it already installed. I want to just click on it, then it will redirect me to the Shopify store or the page of my Shopify. As you can see here, it is set up. I will go to the Facebook and Instagram. Then this is the app. You click on it, then you will have this overview or the setting. More flexibility on payment collection. This is not our subject. Here the shop of on Facebook or Instagram is like this. Now for this step, I will go right here. Then I will check the method. I will go with the full step. Then I will go again with the tutorial. For the sake of the video, I have installed the Facebook app. I will go directly to the App Store and install it in front of you, so you will get a idea of how to configure it, and then you will make it. You have to go with installer. You have to install it. It will be demanding the permission to make the installation. Right here is the install button. You have to install it. It will give a moment to make the process done. Now I think we have installed it successfully. Now we have it right here. It will be shown like this. All you have to do is to pin it to your navigator. The first step that will guide you to the full setup is right here. Connect your Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram. All you have to do is to click on Get Started. Here it will be demanding a Facebook account. Shopify uses your personal Facebook account to access your business account. Connect your Facebook account to Get Started. This is the first step that we are going to do. We click on Connect Account. And here the account is connected. It will be redirecting you to the Facebook box. Then you will demand the account. The business assets. Connect the business you would like to sell from your shop. When the Facebook account is connected, it will be detecting the pages that are owned by the account. Now, a little disclaimer, guys. Everything created in this video, such as Facebook accounts, Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, Instagram pages, or email addresses, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. Now, let's go back to the explanation. This is the page that I own on the Facebook and the Instagram. I can add them both, but for our case, we will go and add the Facebook app. Then we going to connect it. It is Here is the manage Facebook and Instagram data sharing preference. Now here we have the conservative, the enhanced, and the maximum. Here in this step, it is up to you. It is on the amount of the information that you want Shopify to give to Facebook. From the least amount of information, from conservative, to the most and the max amount of information from the maximum. Here on the conservative preference, it is like this. Now you see the details. Everything is right here. The purchase is default. Let's go and see the details on in the enhanced. You can see plus the purchase case, which is default, you will get the customer name information to give from Shopify to Facebook, the email address and addresses. Now for the maximum, which is the most preferable method, it is considered plus the purchase, customer name, email, phone number, and the address. So it is the most effective way to get the pixel to know well the customers that you are targeting. I will go with the maximum. I click on save. The data sharing here is the maximum. Here, connect a pixel to track customer behavior. For here, we have a lot of pixels that are created in this account or this page. In my case, this is the pixel that I am going to work with because I have programmed this pixel to see the changes on the behavior of the customers. A little explanation about the pixel. The pixel of Facebook is a tracker for the actions that the customers make on your website or your store. For example, a customer wants to click and explore the items that you have on the store. The pixel will track the movement of the mouse and the clicks that the customer make or the visitor make. Then it will record them and send them to the Facebook. So the Facebook will know, for example, in future ads, how these the quality of the customers that will pick up for you when you publish a campaign ad or something like this. This is the pixel that we are going to work with. I will click on connect. It is connected. Here on the last step, it is terms and conditions. All you have to do is to click to agree seller, and boom, you are good to go. Submit for review. It will take a little moment to review. Then it is finalizing channel setup. Since it is a sales channel, it is the shop on Facebook will be customizable. Now we will wait for it to see the changes that we will have. Now I will go to the Meta Business Suite and see, for example, the clients what they will do on the website, and see if the pixel will track the movement or the actions live on the page or the store itself, or it will make some time, or if, for example, if it is the wrong pixel, it will detect nothing. Now, to make sure that we have picked the right pixel and it is tracking the customer's events or actions, we only need to open up the Meta Business Suite. Then you go to the settings right here. This is the Meta Business Suite. Now we will go here to the data sources and select the pixels from here. Now we have the view databases for the pixels. It is very simple and self-explanatory. We have the pixel, the website right here that we have set. We only need to open in Events Manager This is the events manager that you will see. This is the pixel that we have picked, or that we have chosen for the our website. And the next step is to go and open the website that we have the pixel on. You can see your store from here, view your online store like this, and it will open up the store. All you have to do is to make some actions to see if the pixel work. You can, for example, put a or choose a product, then you can add it to cart. You click on the checkout. These are called the events. It will take you to this. Let's go to the events manager. When you select up the pixel that you've set, you will see that the events are here: the page view, view content, initiate checkout, add to cart action, and everything is in order. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.